Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these cute little treat boxes that I'm going to be using for Halloween. It's a very cute alternative if you aren't going trick-or-treating this year, and they're very easy to make. So if you're interested in seeing how I make my boxes, then let's go ahead and jump right in. To start this off, you're going to want to just go to the images, enter treat box, or you can also enter this number right here, the N30B5B, and that's going to give us the box that I'm going to be working with. So when you go ahead and insert, you can see that I already have my images uploaded over here. I did write the item number again for you guys up here just so you guys can see. So this is what it's gonna look like when you first upload it. So you can go ahead and size it to whatever size that you want. I pretty much stick to a 3x4 on here, about the same size, just so I can have a little bit of the border around it. These images I just downloaded from Google. So you can see I pretty much just fit them all in here. So once you have this, you'll size it to whatever size you feel comfortable with. So since I already have this one that I like to use, I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate it. So what I'm gonna be doing is, since these are obviously a Halloween theme, try to make these as fun as possible. So for these, I'm just gonna go ahead and look for more bats. And I know there was one, this one looks similar to the ones that are in the actual picture. For this box right here, I'm gonna go ahead and send this to the front. And I'm actually gonna do this color in purple. I might actually, I'm gonna just add, I'm gonna use these two to see which one would look better. I think the candy one is gonna look better just because it says trick or treat. So obviously you get the candy. What I'm gonna do with this one is, instead of cutting everything out, since it's gonna be really small, I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten it. And I'll do the print and cut for these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drag this one down here, send it to the front. And on this one, I'm just going to do the same thing and just use some bats. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here. Is this right here? I'm actually going to do purple. Maybe a lighter purple. This one I'm going to do the same thing again because it's so small and I don't want to, have to deal with the pieces not cutting correctly. I'm just going to go ahead and flatten the image so that way I can just do a print and cut. So this is what all of my treat boxes look like right here. So now that we have everything cut out, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and fold along the lines. So I'm actually going to be starting with this purple one. So you're going to have your box like this. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to put the glue here. And when you're gluing these, you just want to make sure that the actual little flap is on the inside. So that way, when I go like this, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this part down right here. So once we have our box like this, it is glued on both sides. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna fold this part in first. Insert these little sides like this. And then this flap right here, we're just gonna go ahead and tuck it in. It is like that, and I usually don't put any glue in here just because it's pretty secure. So then you have your box like this. Just gonna go like this right here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with this. Again, you want the flap to be inside so that way we can just flip it over. So this right here is what our end product looks like. They came out really cute. I really enjoy making these. It actually holds really well. So what I'm going to be doing with these is I'm just going to go ahead and add some candy. I might just add my niece's names on the back because obviously, as you guys can see, these are my little Halloween treats for them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys are trying any of these treat boxes or if you have done any before. We'll see you next time.